Our problem is -3 plus cosine squared theta equals -3 cosine squared theta minus 2.
Our strategy is to combine like terms. Then we're going to set the equation equal to 0. After that, we're going to solve for cosine. Lastly, we're going to use the unit circle to find our solutions. So we're going to add 2 on both sides. So cancel out. So we become -1. Add 3 cosine squared. So cancel out. Add it. It will become 4 cosine squared. So our equation is -1 plus 4 cosine squared. And we're going to set it equal to 0. Our next step is to solve for cosine. So we're going to add 1 on both sides. This will cancel out. So we have 4 cosine squared equals 1. We divide 4 on both sides. So we have cosine squared equals 1/4. Next, we're going to square root both sides so the exponent could cancel out. So we're left with cosine equals positive and -1/2. So our next step is to look at the unit circle, and we see that x equals cosine. So right here we have a -1/2 as an x, which gives us 2 pi over 3. We have a 1/2 x here, which gives us pi over 3. We have a -1/2 x here, which gives us 4 pi over 3. And we have a 1/2 here, which gives us 5 pi over 3. And these are our 4 solutions.
For the check, we plug in 1/2 and -1/2 for cosine in the original equation on both sides, and then plugging them in right here and here, we get -2.75 on both sides, and that's the same goes for the -1/2, and they come out equal, proving that we got them correct.